It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
Reliable healthcare is more important now than ever. I'm Lauren Scott, your new host for Kansas City Spotlight, and today we have Mallory with Partners in Primary Care to talk about what makes them so unique. Hi, Lori. How you doing today?
I'm good. Welcome to Kansas City.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah. So can you tell me, what is Partners in Primary Care?
Yeah, so Partners in Primary Care is a senior-focused clinic for those that are 65 and up. We came into the Kansas City market 3 years ago with 4 clinics, and now we have 8. And we focus completely on holistic and personalized care for seniors. Fantastic care model.
Tell me about these care teams. What's so special about the care teams?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to talk about.
Yeah.
So most medical offices have around 3.8 full-time equivalent staff for a provider, which you think about the front desk and you think about the medical assistant. Our team has around 8, and what is different is that we have a pharmacist that's on the care team. So if you can imagine an actual pharmacist trained doctor that's in on the huddle every morning. We have an RN care coach that reaches out to patients that are transitioning in and out of the hospital. We have a referral navigator that works closely with the patients to make sure they get routed through the systems appropriately. We all know that can be very confusing. And then you have the traditional folks of a medical team, but everyone participates in the morning huddle. And it's very focused on the patient's care.
How many centers do you guys have right now?
We have 8. We had 4 that we opened 3 years ago, and then 2 the next year, and then 2 the following year. And so now we have 8. 4 of those are co-located inside of Walgreens locations, which are actually amazing. You can't believe you're in a doctor's office, but it feels like a doctor's office.
Yeah.
With separate entrance and the whole thing. So
that's really cool.
Important.
And so are you guys open and taking patients right now?
Absolutely, absolutely. COVID has obviously brought everybody a whole new challenge, but maintaining high COVID standards is critical. But we need to get into the doctor. We're finding across the country really that people have been avoiding it for obvious reasons, but we're starting to see that in the healthcare of folks that haven't been dealing with preventive issues or chronic conditions. So absolutely come in, it's safe, and we've created a lot of measures to make sure that folks have the highest level of care in the best situation possible. Okay,
and so if someone wants to come in, where can they go to get some more information?
So many ways, be it Facebook, seniorfocus, kansascity.com, partnersinprimarycare.com, Google Senior Focus Care, and you're going to come up with that in Kansas City. So there's so many ways to find us.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Lori. It was great talking to you today.
Thank you for having me.
This Kansas City Spotlight is sponsored by Partners in Primary Care. For more information, visit seniorfocusedkansascity.com.